Hi, I am Dr. Vishal Kastavar. Today we'll be discussing on the inverse relationship of vitamin D and COVID-19. Vitamin D is a hormone, a vitamin, which is synthesized from beneath the skin. 6-dihydrocholesterol present beneath the skin when is exposed to ultraviolet B rays during summer seasons, especially at the time from 10 am to 2 pm, is converted gradually into vitamin D through the effect of liver followed by kidney. Vitamin D has been classically known to be associated with improved calcium absorption and bone metabolism, but there is increased evidence of the association of vitamin D in the innate immunity of the body. Vitamin D receptors are present on B cells, T cells and antigen presenting cells. It has been found that low levels of vitamin D are associated with increased autoimmunity in rheumatoid arthritis, SLE, inflammatory bowel disease, type 1 diabetes also. Type 2 diabetes mellitus has also been found to be associated with low levels of vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D has also been associated with increased pulmonary fibrosis and ARDS. There was a study of 800 military recruits from Finland in which the military recruits were divided into two groups. The first group had vitamin D levels less than 40 nanogram per deciliter, while the other group had higher ones. The group which had lower levels of vitamin D was found to take more of sick leaves, and the higher group had relatively less of sick leaves. Vitamin D has been associated with increased amount of upper respiratory tract infections in the body. Lower levels of vitamin D in the mother have been found to be associated with increased incidence of autoimmune pancreatic disease and type 1 diabetes in the child, in the fetus. Vitamin D has been found to be associated with COVID-19 also. In a large recent study published from 20 Euro-Asian countries including Germany, France, Italy, Iran, South Korea, it has been found that those patients who had lower levels of vitamin D at the time of admission had increased morbidity and severe disease. Another study from the Northwestern University of the US has been found that the increased levels of vitamin D in the body of COVID-19 patients were associated with lower death rates, and the lower levels of vitamin D at the time of admission had severe disease and increased death rates. We know that SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 enters into the body, into the cells of the body through RAS receptors. As it enters in the cells through RAS receptors, and it starts down-regulating the RAS receptors from inside. And this down-regulation of RAS receptors is associated with increased cytokine storm and increased pulmonary fibrosis. Pulmonary fibrosis otherwise has also been associated with low levels of vitamin D. Low levels of vitamin D tend to have an effect by reducing the body immunity, especially in COVID-19 patients. And supplements of vitamin D have been found to improve the outcomes in patients. When lower levels of vitamin D were detected in COVID-19 patients and they received higher dose supplementation of vitamin D, the outcomes were better in patients who received it than in patients who did not receive it. The dose used was 10,000 units per day of vitamin D for 8 to 12 weeks, followed by 5,000 units per day. And these doses have been found to provide prevention against COVID-19, although the studies are limited and evidence is low. Real dose of vitamin D for prevention and treatment of SARS-CoV-2 has not been known, but it is definitely seen in various studies that vitamin D supplementation has been found to reduce the morbidity associated with COVID-19 and improve prevention from COVID-19. Thank you.